Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Motorola Wake Up Always On display. So if you move your phone around like this, your phone display will actually turn on. And sometimes when I'm just walking around the house, it will turn on. So this can be a little bit annoying. So go on down from the top just like this. And then let's go to settings right here. And this will be under the gesture controls. So let's go to here. And then scroll on down to Wake Display, use gestures to wake up your display. And we will have two options under here. Go to moving the phone and on check mark it. And then you should be good to go. So you do have to choose one. So I have tapping the display. So all I have to do is tap it now to turn on the display. And there we go. So choose one of these and you should be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.